to talk about one of the tools that I have been developing for the last couple of weeks during my free time as one of my personal projects. So you can get this tool by visiting this website called fakeapitesting.com, one of my websites. So this is the tool. You can click the features button and you can head over to the tool. So this is an online console. So the reason that I have developed this tool is because one of the challenges that I have faced during my last project. So the thing was that when I try to run my application, so basically I develop mobile applications. So when I try to run my application in my device, and if I don't have the necessary tools, then I wouldn't be able to see any kind of logs within the application. So in order to test things, I should have a way to see the logs that is happening within the application. Or if that might not be me, so that might be someone else who is going to run my application. If that person doesn't have any necessary tools such as Android Studio or Xcode, without those kind of tools, they wouldn't be able to see the log that is going to do within the application. So as a solution to that challenge, I have built this tool. So we can use this tool to print out our logs, and those logs will be printed in the you can see all those printed logs within this page. So what you have to do is simply you can create an account, and you can click this get API key button and you can join. After you have created your account, you can get your API key like this, and right after that you will be able to see the console. So every user will get their own private console, so none of those details is not going to be shared with other users. So only you can see the logs that you have been doing within the online console. And here you can see some of the instruction in order to implement this feature within your application. So what you have to do, you have to make a simple API call using one of the libraries such as Axios. On a daily basis we are using those kind of libraries if you want to have some kind of HTTP API calling within our applications. So I'm pretty much using the Axios to do those kind of HTTP calling. So I have created this mobile application to showcase how to implement this feature with your application. So I have created this screen, and in this screen I can see I have put this button, and when I try to click this button, I will show you. I will refresh this application. Alright, so now I'm going to click this button, and as you can see, when I click, it will print a log inside my console. So this is my local console. This is the usual console you will see when you develop React Native applications. So yeah, and only you can see this log in the development stage when you have the necessary tools. So like I said, if you're going to run this application in a device, you wouldn't be able to see those kind of logs if you don't have the tools to do that. So in that case, I'm going to use this tool that I have developed. So I'm going to follow the instruction. So I'm going to do the exact log using online tool this time. So I'm going to use Axios .post. I have to put the endpoint here. So I'm going to copy my endpoint. So endpoint is fakeapi.com/API/our API key /log. So we have to copy our API key like this, and then I'm going to pass the necessary parameters in order to complete this API call. So these are the parameters that we have to pass. We have to pass a tag and a value. I mean, usually when we try to make a log, there will be a tag and there will be a value. So those are the usual things when it comes to print a log. So I'm going to use the tag let's say log 1. And the value, I would say I will get a similar kind of value from this. So I would say this log is for the online console. Oh, I can see something like this. Let's say I have clicked the button in the screen. All right, now I'm going to call this function through the button click. All right, let's see. I'm going to refresh the application. I will click. Okay, I got a warning. Let's see quickly. Axios network error. Okay, so it's an issue with the endpoint. Okay, also I haven't put the protocol, so you must put the protocol if you want to use this as a URL. So this is not going to be URL if you are not going to put the protocol. All right, so the protocol is a must. So I'm going to use http://. All right, let's see this time. I'm going to refresh the app. Okay, so I can't see any logs from the local console anymore. So let's head over to the online console. Yeah, you can see in the online console now. You can see a log inside the console. All right, so I'm going to change the log to like something like let's say second time clicking the button. All right, this time I'm going to open this website when I try to click the button, so I can see real time it is happening. So I'm going to click this button, and you can see that log also has been printed in the console. Okay, so the the advantage here is you can run this application in your device. Still, you will be able to see your console with your own private online console. So the thing you have to do in order to get this feature is only you have to create this account within this website, and you have to get your API key. So that is all you have to do, and only you will be able to see your own logs. Yeah, I hope you can use this tool and make your development easy. Thank you.